at Friendship Gap. Yes, our must stop for porridge. Yeah, Azima here. This is the must stop, people, and it's always on the video, right, guys? Anyway, peanut porridge.
Oh yeah.
Akwaaba, my people. Today I joined Trekkers Jamaica, and together we're visiting Asafu Yard and the Maroons settlement in Charlestown, Jamaica, where we learn about the Maroon leader Akwaaba and his battle for freedom. Stay tuned for more travel and culture.
Oh, the soup smells good already.
Ready? Yeah, we're outside. Alright, so there's a little craft shop. You can support the place by buying your craft items. There's from jewelry to paintings, and of course, you know, guys, I love to eat out of my calabash or coconut cup, and even that you can get right here. Isn't this cute? Ah, yes, people. So definitely when you visit here, make sure you stop by the craft shop and get your own calabash. You can even engrave it if you tell them in time. They put in your name and you can get it personalized. This is wonderful. I love it. We always love to support the craft shop, guys. And yes, but let's go inside. To Asafu Yard. Yes, people, that is where the traditional dance will happen. That is where you can eat. That is where the drumming gonna happen. So to see that, stay tuned. But first, we're going on a hike. We're going up to the 18th century ruins, and that's gonna be a lovely trek. So I'm looking forward to bring you guys there.
Welcome to Charlestown Maroon community. Welcome to the Asafu Yard and the museum. My name is Marcia Douglas, currently the chief or colonel of this Maroon community. And of course, you are going to experience living a moment or a day like the Maroon. Guess what? You're going on the hike to the 18th century coffee plantation. I expect you should be hiking like the Maroons, as if the British is running you down. What? You can't set an ambush and all of them things. I mean, just say me have the perfect set of people that can do it. And of course, you will learn about different herbs and plants. You're going to be fording a river.
After Miss Douglas gave us a wonderful welcome speech, we were ready and excited to start the tour. Greetings, people, and we are here with one of our guides for the tour today. And introduce yourself.
Yes, Maroon wise they call me Delana Douglas or Captain Douglas, but as an artist my name is Padam, right? And Padam is also a Maroon word meaning sounds of the drum also, right? So yes, I've two songs already released about a year ago. One called Merciful and the other is High Grade, you know, so you can go check them out on all platforms. Yeah, man.
Wicked. All right, people, here, go and check it out. I will leave the information in the link below so you can check out the music and download it and listen to it and buy it and all the good things, right? But for now, we're going on a hike. Where are we going?
Yes, so we're going to Orangevale, otherwise known as the 18th century coffee plantation, which is a ruins which slavery actually took place, and actually some of the war within the windward side that was fought with the British was actually fought there as well.
Oh, so we're going up that trail.
Yeah, we're going up that trail.
All right. So that's history here, culture here, everything you get right here at Asafu Yard. And from here we start our hike up to the 18th century ruins. Ready?
Ready.
We're ready. Let's go. So that's our trail. Starts over there. The Just gonna cross this part of the river, and that's part of the trail. Outside people, yes, we're doing this. We're back with team trekkers hiking, and you know it's going down. So passing the river first to get to our trail. Yes, let's do this. And this is Cargill right here. Yeah.
Today, I can tell you, welcome to Orangevale. Orangevale is an 18th century coffee plantation which have a ruins, which is actually a site where actual slavery took place, and a part of the windward Maroon warfare took place also. All right? So on this trail, you'll be learning about different herbs which the Maroons use for healing. And all these herbs that we have here have spiritual and physical component. But we only talk about the physical today, right? The spiritual, we keep that sacred. So, chamu. Talk some, we leave some. All right?
Along this beautiful trail, our guide Delano will show us the various natural herbs and plants and their medicinal purpose, which are still used for their benefits today.
Outside. Yeah, man. I'm excited to be here and learn history, culture, and this is this special part about this specific trail. Yes, so I recommend all of you guys
to book your cultural experience with Asafu Yard.
Courage.
Okay.
Yeah, no look out for them. This is why I make sure me walk and me look for one. Oh, don't touch this.
Don't touch it.
Pores in the top?
Yeah.
That's what goes in the pores and scratch it.
Oh, yeah.
Here you see BC, known in Jamaica for its medicinal purpose against poison. We would typically grate out the dried seed, boil, strain, and consume it.
Is this?
pepper.
The one above it.
Pepper elder. Pepper elder. I have it. Thank you. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Woo! Climb into the bushes. And you have these nice falls you're finding. Woo! This is so beautiful. Nice. All right. We continue the trek. There more. What's up?
Where are you on the outside? Right here on the outside.
Outside, people.
I told you to call me. Never call me. Abe.
Abe.
Abe. Outside.
See? See? People missing out.
Why not?
We're coming back for the bikini session. but certain things are just too beautiful to pass. So we had to get a little snippet, yes. But we continue the trail and then come back and do a full photo shoot. Beautiful. And people is actually perfect because the last time I came here, it was basically dry. So we had rain in the past days. So that's why now it's extra beautiful. Yes.
On that point, and it bring up the water.
We're at the 18th century coffee estate, and the ruins and the remainings, all those stones are not from Jamaica, they've all been brought on ship. Love how the tree grown over all those stones.
The well.
Line 4 got the phone out. Creative. Yeah.
25 feet?
Yeah, about 25 feet.
So
right here where I'm standing is actually the water tank, right? So after the water come up on the Ferris wheel, come through, they had some that came here and they stored it right here for like drinking purposes. 25 feet deep. They actually killed about 200 slaves and throw them inside here. Some went in alive, some went in dead.
Wow.
And yeah, because they were upset about the whole abolishment of slavery.
It's raining and that's how you know you're in Portland. Yes, blessings from the sky. Woo! Hey! Camera is waterproof. I'm waterproof. I'm very prepared. I brought a raincoat, I brought an umbrella, I brought water boots. What else? Everything for the rain. And it's all in the car. The sun was shining and I was like, I don't need that. Yeah. Why carrying this extra weight? But that's okay. That's okay. Enjoy. As a matter of fact, I'm enjoying this rain. So beautiful. Cameraman, yes, he brought his umbrella.
Turn out.
Alright people, this is the what, third or fourth pool coming up?
Like this.
1, 2.
This is 1, 2, 3.
Of the bigger one, yeah.
Oh yeah. About 3. Third.
I live for this. People, yeah, outside, nature.
Nice.
Just full of energy. And the water is so clear. Guys, remember to like, subscribe and share. We are back. We crossed the river and now we're going back to the vehicle, and the vehicle brings us back to Asafu yard, and that is where we're gonna have lunch. So look out for that part. It's the best food you can get. I'm telling you guys, if you ever take this booking, make sure you book your food, because some good, nice, original maroon cooking, and you're eating out of your calabash, and you always have a vegetarian option as well, so don't worry. Yeah. This was nice. Woo! Outside!
The abeng is the horn of a cow, which is blown by the Maroons to produce a variety of sounds. This vital instrument of communication would convey the complex set of information over a long distance, without the enemy being able to understand the code message.
Bang! Lovely.
We now enjoying this lovely food while watching the Charlestown drummers and dancers performing their traditional Kumina dance. I hope this inspired you to come here and learn more about the Maroon culture, history and traditions.
People, and here we are with the Colonel herself. Introduce yourself.
I am Colonel Douglas of the Charlestown Maroon community, and of course here in Charlestown what we do, we live a moment like the Maroon, and so people get that experience of living like the Maroon for that day or the particular moment. Yes, here in Charlestown we promote the history. We believe in going back in the past, taking from the past, bringing for the future. And of course we have coming up in June our 14th annual International Charlestown Maroon Conference and Celebration, where we'll begin on the 23rd of June through to the 25th. Come out, have a fulfilled time, learn more about the Maroon, be blessed.
Yes, bring your children. There's children's corner, right, where they
everything.
learn. And also what we did today, you can also book a tour on whenever. Just I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, so you can get the cultural experience, you can get the hike, the food, the dancing, the drumming, the herbs.
Don't forget about the herbs.
The herbs, right? And you can get all these teachings and the cultural history right here at Asafu Yard.
Yeah.
So the information will be in the link below, guys. So if you want to know more, you can contact Miss Douglas.
Right here at Yankunko Prandes.
All right. So how will you say bye?
Bye, Wagabaiti.
Bye, Wagabaiti. Bye.
This tour was organized by Trekkers Adventure Jamaica. They organize monthly adventures. Click the link below to book your next adventure.
Outside!